Hey everyone! Today we're making one of my favorite quick dinners. Crispy, golden grated potato fritters. They're fast, easy, and seriously delicious. Alright. Let's get started. Grab 3 potatoes and peel them up. Now grate them. Yes, all the way down. It's a bit of work, but totally worth it. Next, take 1 onion. Peel it and grate that too. Try not to cry, unless the onion's just too emotional today. And if you want, grate 1 carrot as well. It's optional, but it adds a nice color and a touch of sweetness. Now let's give all those grated veggies a rinse in cold water. This helps remove some of the starch so the fritters don't end up mushy. Once that's done, very important, we need to dry them really well. I'm using a clean towel and squeezing out as much water as I can. You want these veggies dry, like desert dry. Now in a bowl, crack 2 eggs. Give them a quick mix, and pour them over the veggies. Then add 30 grams of cornflour, a pinch of salt, some black pepper, and a little paprika for flavor. You can also add a spoon of olive oil if you'd like. I do just for a little extra richness. Okay, now it's frying time. Heat up some oil in a pan. Use a spoon to scoop the mixture and form little circles. Gently flatten them. This helps the potatoes cook evenly and get that nice crispy edge. And a quick tip: once they're in the pan, lower the heat. We want golden and crisp, not burnt and sad. Now just let them sizzle until both sides are beautifully golden. And look at this beauty. So crispy, so golden. Easy, fast, delicious. Let me know in the comments, what would you add to yours? Cheese, herbs, I wanna know. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!